Hi, Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I made some vegetable Christmas trees. So you can just get a couple hundred of these for a couple bucks. Very, very cheap, these wooden sticks. So I put my cherry tomato at the base of my tree. This one I did just with green and red peppers. You can either cut the bottom a little bigger and go smaller as you go up, or after you're done you just take the knife and kind of angle it to make it look like a tree. The top of my tree here, I've got a star. I used cheese, light cheese, and I just used a cookie cutter to make my star at the top. So this one I did kind of the same idea, except for I used different vegetables. So base of the tree is still that cherry tomato. Then I've got some carrot, cucumber, another carrot, and then the red and green peppers. And then my little cookie cutter, light cheese star on top. Anyway, have a good one, guys. Take care.